welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am creating this look right here. This is like the perfect look for if you're gonna go out for Valentine's Day. This is like so girly and I just love it. I use mainly all drugstore besides maybe like 2 products. I wanted this to be an affordable look so you guys could recreate it. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then be sure to just keep on watching. So I have already done this eye. This is the look we are gonna try to achieve on this eye. Hopefully we can. I've already concealed and set my eyelid. Now I'm gonna be going in with this e.l.f. Mad for Mattes palette. The first shade that I'm gonna be using is that shade right there. I'm putting this shade right above the crease. I'm going to be bringing the shadows up higher than I normally do because the fold in my crease. So I'm just buffing this out everywhere. Make sure to bring the shade all the way out to your eyebrow. It's okay if you get messy with this shade because we will cut it and make the crease look sharp. It's important to bring the shades really into your inner corner as well. You want it evenly dispersed all the way throughout the lid. Next, I am going to be going in with the shade right next to it. It's a little bit deeper but cooler tone. I'm going to put this shade like not right in the crease but like literally right above the crease. It's not exactly my socket but it's almost. So I'm just doing the same technique that I was doing with the shade before this, but I'm doing it right below the shade. Bring it all the way out to the end of the eyebrow. Bring it all the way in. The last shade that I'm going to be using to deepen up the crease shade is this purple right there. So I'm applying this purple right in my socket, like where I can feel my eyeball. That's where I am applying this shade. Doing the same technique, windshield wiper movement, buffing, circles. So now I'm going to go back in with the second shade that we went in with and kind of just like buff these 2 shades together. And I'm going to go in with that first shade and just make sure we have no harsh lines. Everything's nice and blended. And then I'm going to use this shade right here to highlight my brow bone, even though it'll probably disappear when I do my brows. It's okay, we'll just reapply it. And that is the crease of this cut crease. Now we gotta do the hard part and add the concealer to cut the crease. So let's do that. So I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral to cut the crease. Let's see if we can do this, guys. I'm nervous. The hardest part is actually the wing because I just can't do wings because my freaking eyeballs are different shaped. But it's okay. We'll make this work, hopefully. Placing the concealer right on the center of the lid. And then a technique that I have learned from Nicole Guerrero is to look up and wherever that concealer hits, that's like your map. That's where you want to carve it out. And you want to put this concealer over your entire lid. So when you do the outer part of the eye, you are going to want to kind of like map out a line as so. I don't know what you would call this, but you just want to do that. So I'm going to try to mimic the other side. So that is the cut crease portion. Now to make it all come together, we need to add the wing. But first we need to apply a glitter shadow onto this lid. The shimmer shadow that I'm going to be using is from Blink Electric Eyes palette. These shades are beautiful, but the shade that I'm using is going to be this shade right here. I'm putting this shade all over the lid. And that is the lid shade. So guys, now it's the hardest part. Hardest part is that wing liner. I'll be right back after I apply my liner and lashes, and then we're gonna finish off this look. Alright guys, I think I did a fairly good job doing this wing, considering I struggle really bad. But I feel like they match pretty well, but I don't have my contacts in, so that could be why. But anyways, we are going to move straight onto the face now. I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. We are going to be going in with this Dewy Smooth Foundation by Maybelline. So that is what the Dewy Smooth Fit Me foundation looks like. I really enjoy this foundation because it smooths everything out and you're still getting the dewy effect. I'm gonna let this foundation set while I do my brows, so I'll be right back. Brows are on. They used to be pretty good at being twin sisters, but here recently they haven't. It's okay though. We are moving on to finish off the face now. I'm gonna be going in with this Super Stay Better Skin Concealer in the color Light. So this is gonna help balance out this dark shade that I have going on. Time to set that concealer. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Master Fix Translucent Powder. I'm gonna go back to my trusty Neutrogena Healthy Skin Bronzer. It's been a while since I've used this. This is in the shade Sunkissed. So I'm gonna be going in with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the color, where are you at? Precious Petals. I'm going to be using Jaclyn Hill's technique by using your wet beauty sponge and dipping it into this highlight. I did this the other day and it's magical what it does, guys. You have got to try this technique because it's going to change your highlighting game. It is so gorgeous and I'm so obsessed. Hello? Do you see that? I can't. Oh my freak. This might be a lot for some of you guys, but it's right up my alley, man. We're gonna move on to blush now. I'm gonna be going in with this Milani Baked Brush in the color Luminoso. And I'm gonna apply that on my apples of my cheeks. And that is the face. We need to finish up the lower lash line, add a lip, and this makeup look is done. The only thing is, I'm not sure what I should do for the lower lash line. I'm just going to add all three of the shades that we use, so these two brown colors and this purple, in some sort of way. So I'm going to use these two brown shades, just smoke out the lower lash line, kind of softly smoke it out, and then I might add the dark purple on the outer corner. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, lower lash line is done. I've just basically put all three of those shades on my lower lash line. So I did add just a little bit of black in the waterline. I just put some black shadow in there. So we're gonna go and highlight the inner corners real quick with the same highlighter that we use for our whole face. Just apply that in the inner corner of the eye. And I'm gonna be going in with the color Aquarius. This shade is like the perfect nude for anybody. This nude color is just gonna take this look to the next level. My battery kept saying it's exhausted. So I had to give it a break, so I decided to curl a little bit of my hair. So I'm gonna hurry up and finish this video. So like I was doing before the camera decided to shut off, I was applying my Aquarius Ultra Satin Lip. This is so pretty. So guys, that is the completed look. I hope you enjoy the way it looks because I'm absolutely obsessed with how it turned out. I'm very proud of myself for creating this eye look because I've never done something like this. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. I did add a lip gloss on top of the Aquarius just because it needed it. I just love the way this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you recreate this look, then be sure to let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!